In this video, we will show you how you can add FAQs on your website on About My Clinic. To start adding FAQs, first log in to your account on aboutmyclinic.com. Once you log in, you see the dashboard, and on the dashboard menu, you can see Post FAQs section. Go to Post FAQs section and you can see three submenus. One called Post FAQ, which allows you to write question and brief answers to be published on your website. You can add n number of FAQs on your website. View and edit FAQs allows you to see the FAQs which are already published, and if you want to edit them, you can edit them from here. Drafts allow you to see the FAQs which you have added but haven't yet published on your website. So let's start by adding FAQ. We are adding FAQ on orthopedic website, and say one of the commonly asked questions is, can I run after knee replacement surgery? So let's add this FAQ. Let's provide a brief answer. Remember to provide a very brief answer to FAQ because lengthy answers are generally not read and not considered engaging by the patients. You can always enhance the FAQ by adding video links to it or image links which are seen along with the FAQ on website. What is very important is whenever you add FAQ, try to categorize it in one of the several default categories that we have given, or you can also add your own category. Categorization allows users to sort FAQs by category of their interest. For example, this particular FAQ can be categorized in treatments and procedures. Once you categorize, you can also choose to link your FAQs to treatments or procedures which are there on your website. So here you can see an option to link FAQ to a procedure. Now this particular FAQ, which is about can a patient run after knee replacement surgery, can very well be linked to a procedure of knee replacement. Let's see if there is knee replacement procedure on this website. Yes, it is here. So let's select total knee replacement. The moment you link the FAQ to a procedure, these FAQs are also seen along with the procedure in the procedure section of the website, which helps in SEO. You can also choose to link the FAQs to specialties so that users can sort FAQs by specialty. One more thing which is important that you can do, whenever you want patient or the reader of FAQ to take a particular action after reading the answer, which is called as call to action, you can add such call to action button here. We have given some pre-populated call to action buttons, but you can always add your own call to action button. Say for this particular FAQ, you add a call to action button as consult our physio. If you want, you can provide any link for that, or you can just keep it as it is, or you can even choose a default button, say book appointment, and then of course you are ready to publish it. So the FAQ gets published real time on your website. You can see it in the view and edit FAQs. You can also try to change the sequence of FAQs based on which FAQ you want to be first on your website. From here you can quickly see whether the FAQ is there on your website now. Yes, so here it is. So let's try to change the sequence of FAQ. For example, you just drag and drop the FAQs to arrange them in a sequence that you want. Let's go to the website and see if the sequence has changed. So I'll refresh this page and let's see if the sequence has changed. Yes, it has changed. So this is called as call to action button. For example, sign in